Hello, my name is Peter Osborne, and I'm the founder of Legal Video Consulting. We've been in business since 2010 and have videotaped hundreds of depositions. I'm now going to share with you what I have learned in the past 10 years as a legal videographer. Welcome to the instructional video, How to Become a Legal Videographer. In this video, I will show you what equipment needs to be purchased so you can quickly begin your training in deposition videography. Some professional video experience is recommended, but not necessary. And all the legal experience needed will be taught in this video. Once you have become familiar with the equipment and its function in a deposition setting, we will then move on to setup procedures. This video focuses on deposition videography, which comprises more than 90% of the legal video work available. Attach it about right here, and what I'll do is I'll just demonstrate to them. Gonna run a few seconds here on my DVD recorder. I'm also recording on my camcorder, so it doesn't interfere with any of the audio equipment. Years ago, that was more of an issue, cell phones interfering with audio. Hi, Peter Osborne.
Hey, Jeff Lander.
I am the videographer here for the Williams. Okay, now I'm going to check my other mics. A mock deposition will be shown that illustrates the rules and procedures that are required in order for your video to be admissible in court. Will counsel and the deponent please identify themselves for the record? Afterwards, the co-reporter may swear in the witness.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Okay, actually, we could just go off video record for a second.
Going off video? The process is simple. Videotape witness testimony, perform some basic video editing, and submit it on DVD to the co-reporting company that contracted with you. This is the way most legal videographers operate their business. Other kinds of legal video outside of deposition videography and potential clients other than co-reporting firms are discussed in the workbook. Finally, I will show you how to market yourself to co-reporting firms so you can put your new skills to good use, generating an income in your new business.